Good morning. It's June 29th, 2012. We had a huge run-up last night after the Supreme Court decision on Obamacare. I guess the certainty that brings to the picture, whether it's good or bad, is valued. Our goals for today is number one, to have no bias, short or long. To number two, trade the rules. My rules are McFibber plus support resistance and patterns. And to three, concentrate for 1 hour. The market will be opening in about 5 minutes. Okay, I got into a short, got stopped out right away by a wild bar, grabbing for stops, I'm sure, and I jumped into another short. Okay, we had a bit of a wild ride here. I placed this short, had meant to move my stop to this fib area. Before I moved it, we got some wild bars coming down here, and my target was filled, even though I hadn't set it to where I intended to. But look at this wild bar. Okay, I'm in for a long. Had a pretty decent 3-bar reversal here at this deep area. Got separation under the MACD BB line charts. Although I'm looking at this 1597 right now, he doesn't agree. So they're dancing on my stop here. There are more fun things to watch than that. An advanced trader might take a 3-tick loss here. I'm going to stick with it. I've trying to deal with a tendency to get out of trades early. Whoa. Of course, this is sim. They don't know I'm there. We just got a downward trend going here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, okay, so I got stopped out. We'll wait for our next setup. Okay, I'm in a long again. This time I'm going to give it a little more room. I realized that my last stop was right above the major fib. That wasn't a good move. That's where we're looking for the result, for the reverse. Okay, we're making a little progress. We'll want to expect to get up to this major fib here. If we can get some indicators to come through. Okay, we're making a little headway. Notice my my audible alerts are turned off. That happens once in a while. Not sure what does it. They're in a strategy. I want to get them into an indicator, but haven't been able to make that work. Okay, we waited through a lot of heat here to get back to ground zero on this trade. I've got a lot of space under 610. This 1597 stays on the rail though and says,
change up.
you know, I'm not letting up on this short. And if you trust your indicators, you got to pay attention to that. So I think I should get out here. Hopefully break even, maybe get a tick or two. Now if 610 comes up from underneath that Bollinger Band, that would change things. Got pretty strong volume on green, so that could happen. 4181 could easily become a bull flag, and 10K stays strong on the up. Some news coming out in a minute. Probably shouldn't be in the trade when that happens.
Target filled.
Okay, so I got out with a few ticks, and of course it's probably going to take off now. Okay, if we break 87.7, that could be a signal for a long. Okay, I've placed an alert just below this big fib. The alert indicator, by the way, is called Price Guard. Okay, the price guard alert was triggered, so we'll be looking for a possible short here. I want to be fairly conservative as this is a Friday. Volumes are significant though. Got a lot of separation on 440, 610 underneath on 987 here. Rolling around. This anything could happen with these setups. Okay, we're definitely into the deeps now. Trend is up. There's a weak 3-bar right here. Head and shoulders. Definitely want to be careful here. Back up to right at the opening, 788.8. That's a little confluence with this major fib. But the trend is up, so we want to be careful. We've got a lot of confluence right up here. In this area, we've got the recent high. It's been tapped twice this morning. This is also a resistance line from previous days. We just got all kinds of indicators saying that this could be a reversal point. Kind of a crazy bar setup right there. Okay, again, we're right at a major point where a lot of things come together and say this could be a pivot. Okay, I'm in for a short. Okay, we've top hit this level 4 times. Now 5.
Stop filled.
All right, we had a quick bar up.
Order filled.
So I'm coming back in. I think that was our quick bar up to take out stops. And now we're gonna see some down. I have been known to wait for that in the past, but 2 times today I've faced that. You know, I say I've been known. I'm still a beginner trader, so that's really stretching it. Okay, we've come down to a support level here. Need to break through that. Got a decent chance of it. We've even got a chance of having a foot-like formation here, which could really drop. 610 closed on the line, which is not a strong indication, but we did have a bit of a V down, where the second leg of the V is stronger than the first leg, so that's an indicator we could be going down. Our 440 is indicating nice down action, so let's stay in this trade. Hope we can break through. Okay, we peeked through it, so that could be the chink in the armor there. Okay, now we're making a little headway. Don't like that bar, the way it finished high. Okay, we're making a little headway. Still got some good down indicators going, and again, if that 4181 here could come down below this Bollinger Band, we could have a nice ride. 10K is coming into the rail. That's not too comforting, but of course he's a big chart. .610 could close on the rail here any minute. We are at this fib marker here, although it should have been adjusted because of this new high. We still seem to be respecting it. I don't see any other reasons for support there. I don't like that bar setup, that 2-bar reversal. Our indicators are saying stay in, so we will. Wow, we had a jump up. These 2 bars were created within
couple of seconds.
So that's how quickly things can move.
I had a feeling I should have gotten out here, but let's hang in here.
Target filled.